Hello there, homies, mga taong bahay dyan. Today's video is all about unboxing. This is actually our first unboxing experience here in my YouTube channel. And as what you can see, I have here with me a vacuum flask tumbler with a smart temperature indicator. And as what you can see, this is actually a Gucci tumbler from the house of Gucci. Charing. Okay. May magpapa-unbox kasi na friend ko. Okay? This is not actually a paid advertisement. Okay? Meron lang akong friend na magpapa-unbox to see ang product siguro nila or ewan ko ba? Basta pinili niya lang talaga ako mag-unbox nito. Okay? So are you ready, homies? Mga taong bahay dyan? So gonna open our vacuum flask tumbler. This is actually very sikat nowadays, diba? Trendy talaga ito, especially sa ating mga lakad. Sa mga laagan diha, we need to buy this kind of vacuum tumbler. Sige lang, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo what's good about this product. So ito, okay. This is the Gucci tumbler. And then, charan, I'm so excited. Oh. Amoy social. Ang inyong vlogger, socialarang palaka, charing. Okay. This product comes with a dust bag. And it has also its receipt. Oh, meron talaga yung resibo, ha? Ano ba to? Hong Kong dollars. Ito. May resibo talaga siya, ha? Ayan. And then, this one. Para malaman if this is a fake or authentic talaga siya na vacuum flask. Oh. Ayan, no? May katunayan talaga. Proof of purchase. Okay. This is our kasosyal ba ni oy? Gucci vacuum flask tumbler with, of course, the smart LED temperature indicator. Sige, I'm gonna open, ha? Mabaguhan man sa taan ni uy. Kaya nga, wala ko inom-inom og tubig. Okay, baon-baon og tubig. Lagay natin dito dahil baka magasgas. Char. Nanginginig actually ang aking kamay. Okay. So, itong vacuum flask tumbler natin, it has 3 parts. The vacuum insulated bottle, which is covered with a, I think this is a man-made or artificial leather. Man-made leather siguro. Oh, ayan. Naka-double wall insulated siya, ha. And then, it also comes with a tea filter. So, pwede tayong mag-tea dito. And of course, the smart LED indicator. So, paano ba ito? Okay. Wow, mapapawaw ka talaga, oh. Ayan, 32 degrees. Tatanggalin natin ito muna. Okay. 32 degrees Celsius. Oh, ayan. So, what's good about this product? It can actually hold up to 6 to 12 hours ang kanyang hotness or coldness. Okay? Ayan, ha. Lagay natin siya. So, paglalagyan ko siguro ito ng mainit na tubig o kaya malamig na tubig. Sige lang. So, next vlog natin, I'm gonna show you how will this product work or this vacuum flask work. Okay, if you're gonna ask me, how much does this vacuum flask cost? If you're gonna check this one out in Etsy, it's roughly around 2,500 pesos. Okay? Pero, if you want a cheaper ones, I think merong replica nito sa, ano yan? Shopee and Lazada. Mga 890 siguro. I think mga $18 siguro. Okay? So, this is our Gucci, paano ba? Ewan ko paano sa balik namin. Gucci vacuum flask tumbler with a smart LED temperature indicator. Okay? So, thank you guys. Thank you ka-homies, mga taong bahay dyan for watching our first unboxing experience in my YouTube channel. So, until then, bye!